In this video, I'll demonstrate how to select specific columns when reading a CSV file with Pandas. First, I'll run the import line so we can use Pandas. To specify which columns to select, we use useCalls parameter, where we provide a list of the column names we want. Alternatively, though it's generally less readable, you can use numeric indices instead of column names to select the desired columns. The order in which you specify the columns doesn't matter. So 1, 4, 2, 3 will produce the same result as 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me copy the headers to show you this. Now I'll comment out useCalls to display all the columns. The first column, text column, is at index 0, and integer column is at index 1. So far so good. Next we have 4, which renders float column, which is at index 2. This confirms that the order you input the numbers is ignored. The next one, 2, select column number 3. And the last one is column number 4. So remember that the order in useCalls doesn't affect the final column order. If you want a specific order, you can achieve it by defining useCalls and, after closing the parentheses of read CSV, adding square brackets with a list of the column names in your desired order, like this. Keep in mind that you can only use numerical indices within the useCalls parameter itself. Any column selections after the read CSV parentheses must use actual column names. Otherwise, you will get a key error because indices like 1 or 2 doesn't exist in that context. The same key error occurs if you attempt to select a column that doesn't exist. For example, if you've selected column 1 and 2 in useCalls, you can't specify any other indices after the parentheses. However, you can freely specify any columns you want within useCalls. Finally, to choose columns based on a condition, you can use a lambda function with useCalls parameter. The lambda function will be evaluated against the column names, returning the names where the function evaluates the true. Using the lambda function parameter significantly reduces parsing time and memory usage.